Hi everyone, my name is Ashokkumar. I am from Hanumakonda Telangana. After completing my BTech from JNTH University, I was searching for a job. Then I got to know about Evision Technoserve Pvt Ltd. In Evision Technoserve, I learned about CCNA, ITIL, Windows administration, Linux administration, and cyber security. Evision is a platform where you will get an immense opportunity to learn and make your career align with the trends that are working in IT industry. I am glad to say that I got placed in NBL technology with a package of 3.2 lakh. I want to thank Mr. Ganesh sir and all the faculty that helped me to achieve my dreams.
So, what are you waiting for? Join Evision. Join job.